Today I will talk about how can you enable weekly notifications on your Reverso contacts app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to weekly notifications here. So just click in this sign. So like you see this color here show for us, that's mean here weekly notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.